Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Today we're going to take a look at a portable butane grill. Now this is the Gas One. This is a 10,000 BTU grill. As you guys can see here, it has the removable cooktop for easy cleaning. It also has some other upgraded features from the previous models. It has a bottle warmer that is this piece of metal that you guys see right here that kind of touches the heat unit, and it allows it to transfer heat down to here. And that's what's going to keep your butane warm for the low amount of butane you may have in your bottles. Okay, so really simple to set up. You guys can see it also has the piezo igniter. It has a locking lever here for locking the bottle into place. So I'll show you guys what that looks like when you set it up. So you would take your butane bottle, uncap it, open it, and as you guys can see right here, there's a little notch. You want to make sure that notch is facing forward. So when you place this bottle in, like so, your notch is right about there. And you're just going to slide this mechanism down. And that's going to push that bottle into place. It's going to lock in place, okay? So you don't have to have this off when you do it. I just had it off because we were talking about it. But this locks down here. Then you're going to close this door. Very important to keep this door closed. When it comes time to ignite this, and before we go any further, in order to get that bottle to lock in place, this must be in the complete off position. So you have like an off position for the gas, but this has to be all the way up to where you see off right here, or it will not allow the bottle to connect. Now to ignite the flame, we're just going to pull this down. You're going to hear a little snap, and there we go. Boom. Just like that, we have our flame going. So now we could actually start to cook something. So I have a few of these little camping styled pots and pans here. So I could just easily throw a pan on here, no problem. So what I'm always curious about is, is this flame going to be enough? Yes, 10,000 BTUs sounds like a lot. So we're just going to throw a little bit of sausage in that guy. Ooh, we got a sizzle already. Man, look at that. Look at that. Okay, okay. I ain't mad at it. I'm not mad at it. All right, we're going to throw us a couple of pieces of sausage in there. Start that on its way. All right, so let me get you guys a little bit closer so you guys can kind of see what's going on here. All right, so that's the start of our cook. Now, guys, you want to have this in a well-ventilated area. I know there are people who use these type of grills indoors as well. I do still recommend, if you're going to be trying to use one of these indoors, that you use it in a really ventilated area. That is very, very important. All right, we're going to see here in a second if our sausage is starting to brown. You guys can see already we're starting to get a crust on this sausage. That's looking really good. So for my camping chefs out there, look at that. Look at that. So yeah, this is going to be a very efficient little butane grill. Pretty much all of your needs. You'll be able to boil water. You'll be able to make your stews and soups. Pretty much everything that you need when you go out onto a campsite. You're going to be pretty much ready to go. All right, so right now I have this at max temperature. So we're going to bring that temperature down a little bit. It doesn't have to be at its highest temperature all the time. But we can grab this little pan here. All right, guys, look at what we got there. Look at that. In just a few minutes, we're able to get a good sear on the sausage. Let's flip this guy over here. Look at that, man. So if you are looking for a portable butane grill, this might be exactly what you're looking for, guys. For those backyard adventures, for camping trips, taking it down to the beach, the park, whatever the case it may be, this might be a win. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech, Rome Knows Cooking, Rome Knows Grilling. All right, my babies, I will see you all in the next video. Hopefully this video has been helpful, demonstrating some of the features of this 10,000 BTU portable butane grill. Yes, this guy is a win. Now, at the end of it all, when you're done, all you got to do, guys, really simply here, I'm going to go ahead and take these sausages off here, and we're going to turn down our flame. We could just turn it off from here, And then at this point, you want to eject your butane, okay? So the flame is off. We know that. To eject this, all you have to do is pop this up. It's going to release it. And then you can take your bottle out. Do not store these grills with the bottle in it, guys. Even if you're on a campsite, take the butane bottles out. Be safe. All right, guys, I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.